What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to speed up your Google Chrome downloads on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open up your Google Chrome browser and click on the three dots located in the upper right corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the Settings tab. In the left side pane, navigate to the Privacy and Security tab and select the Security option. Click to open the security page and scroll down until you find the Use Secure DNS section. Here, check the With Custom button and click Custom to open a drop-down menu and select any DNS service provider from the given list. You can also enter your own desired DNS service provider in the given field located below the Custom drop-down menu list. Now, on the Settings page, locate and click the System tab and disable the Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed option. The reason of doing that is that, if enabled, some apps occupy extra bandwidth even when Google Chrome is closed. This extra bandwidth can be used to increase your Google Chrome download speed. With this done, head over to the three dots located in the upper right corner of your browser and click to open the drop-down menu. Navigate to Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Now, in the Extensions tab, remove all those extensions which you no longer use or require. You can also disable them, but removing them is a better option. Lastly, in the URL search bar, type chrome/flags and hit enter. Copy this URL from the description if you're unable to get here. Chrome flags enable you to activate or deactivate experimental features in Google Chrome. In the Experiments tab, type Parallel Downloading on the page's search box and enable the Parallel Downloading option. Note that you must relaunch the Google Chrome browser to apply these changes. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.